The video is finished, but the work wasn't. I still needed title, descriptions, chapters, keywords, and tags already done. Not only that, I also needed thumbnails. I used to outsource all this, and this used to be costing me around €100 per video, and recently I started uploading one video per day, which in total would have been around $3 per month. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do this using Claude Code. So let's get straight into it. I'm over here in a brand new version of Claude Code set up. You can see on the left, I'll just have the YouTube pack already installed. If you're wanting to get this pack, you just jump over here to Marketing Hub. Inside the Marketing Hub, I have all this inside for people to get. Workflows and systems, YouTube package builder, is all the guide is here. And if you scroll right down to the bottom, you can just download this file. Once you download it, you pretty much click unzip and add it into your workflow here. So you can see everything has been added to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to show exactly how this is done from start to finish. Once you install it, you have to pretty much answer a few questions. So the key thing here is because you're a first-time user, it's going to install some of the key things you need. Most important is this one, is the FFmpeg and also the faster Whisper. So this is going to allow you to transcribe it without costing you any extra tokens. So once you have that part done, you then come along here and you have to answer these questions. You can see the list. I've already answered these just to kind of speed up the entire process here. But once you answer these, it'll start building out your brand style, it'll add more information about what you're trying to do and what you're trying to create. And you also add headshot photos. So this is going to help you if you're wanting to create thumbnails. So you can see here, these are not me, of course. And pretty much I've just added a load of different AI images again for thumbnails. And we're going to use these to help create the thumbnails with a real person on it. Also, what I've added into this is a YouTube video. So I have a small video done already here. So I will do the full transcript of this video as well as part of the process, so you can see how easy it is to create the entire package. And as I said, the entire package is, so you can see over here pretty much what you get. You get our title done. You have your keyword. You have your keyword built into the description. You have our chapters already done. You have all our tags. You have problems answered, which again is on YouTube at the very bottom on the details page. So if you go up and search here, these are terms that can come up in Google search to have hopefully get your video to answer the questions. And we get all your thumbnails designed however way you want them. So let's jump straight over and start making it. You can see here, this is the video that I have. I just installed this to get it set up to give you something to show. So all we're going to do in a new chat is just tag this video. So I want to just copy this and said, I need a full YouTube package for this video, please. Paste it in, send it on its way. So what I'm going to do is work away with this. I may pause it if it's taking a few minutes. It normally takes about 5-10 minutes in total to do. If it's a case you haven't got the likes of Higgsfield that I use to generate the thumbnails, all you have to do instead of that first prompt is tell it to give me a prompt for each thumbnail. Then you can jump over to ChatGPT, use that, and it's not going to cost you any tokens. So obviously for this example, I have Higgsfield connected to it, and it just does it automatically for me. So this is going to work in the background. We're going to get a few different outputs, I think, which is a massive advantage of what you're trying to do. Not only are we going to get the full YouTube package, we should be getting short trailer clips from this. So each of these will focus on specific angles. So it could be open loops, it could be pain points, anything like that. So I'll come back to this in a minute and hopefully we'll have a bit more of it done. You can see the full update list that's going to be doing, and it's going to generate for me 2 thumbnails. For you, if you're installing this the first time, it's going to generate 4 for you because that's what it's set to. I just changed it to 2 to make it a bit quicker. Okay, so this is done. It's pretty much done everything what we needed. Transcribe the SRT into an SRT file, identify the spine of the content, decide the title, select and cut 2 to 4 teaser clips, write the text pack, design 2 thumbnails, generate the 2 thumbnails, and write the pack and final MD. Everything has been done for us. So what we're going to do now is quickly go through to see what it looks like. So outputs, first we have thumbnail designs, which are done, and we have 3 individual clips, all created from it. So you can see clip number 1 is an open loop, 32 seconds here. We have clip number 2 has been done for us, which is 43 seconds, a value point, and clip number 3 again is value point. We also then have the thumbnails have been generated for us. So if we click this here, you can see template 1 thumbnail is perfect for what you're doing. And again, it pulled in the 2 logos here, which is perfect because I never added these up into the logo section. So if you have different logos that you use for your business or something that might not be recognized, you throw them into here. But obviously AI picked up on it straight away. One template, loads of posts. Again, that's pretty much what the video was about. We have video 2 then, which is again one by one. Discipline today, freedom tomorrow. Canva, ChatGPT. You can see everything's being done. But you can see the most important thing is it brought in our headshot image here, which of course in this instance was AI, but it brought everything in likeliness 100% and fits it into the whole model, the whole style of it. Also, what it's done is it should have created our, so there's the full pack. So in here we have everything. The title, Canva bulk create, 16 posts in minutes with ChatGPT. We have description, again, Canva bulk create was the key word here, so we're targeting that. Again, we have all the chapters of the video broken down to the way we wanted. We have tags, again, targeting those keywords, bulk create in Canva. Problems answered then is, most people type in how to bulk create content in Canva. You can see in the first 7 seconds of the video is going to answer that. How to use ChatGPT to write content for Canva, again, answered into 2 minutes and 25. So we've gotten everything we need pretty much for our YouTube upload now. We copy this stuff, bring it over. Key thing here is you can see up here I have a funnel CTA, so in my placeholders here or in my description, want the full step-by-step playbook, grab the free guide here. Obviously it's a placeholder URL just to put it in for the time being. So if you had your own ebook, your own offering, it's going to add these to all your descriptions based on what you're creating every single time, and you can change these CTAs based on what you're offering at the moment. And you can see again primary keyword Canva bulk create, and you can see it being used throughout. And I think that's massive for what you're trying to do. So overall, everything is being generated for us. As I said, this is saving me over $3 grand a month now because I don't have to actually outsource all this stuff. But one of the biggest things is it's allowing me to produce a video every single day, get all this packaging done, because this takes a massive amount of time. And if it's the case you're interested in learning more about this, as I said, you can jump over here to the community, grab all this once you join up. Part of the community, I share this stuff on a regular basis to help people basically streamline their process and workflows. So that's pretty much it. Again, make sure you check out my other videos. I go through a lot of ways of how AI is used. Everything is built in a similar style that whatever systems I use, I provide inside the community. You can use them yourself to build and grow your own business online.